area of a sector of a circle. Sector means when two radii, these are the two radii, are cutting a circle into two parts. This is a major sector and this is the minor sector. Major means the bigger sector so now the area is theta by 360. Theta is the angle at the center, and it is part of the area, that is theta by 360 pi r square. Pi r square is the area of the circle, and theta by 360, that means 1660 degree, suppose it is 60 degree, that is 1/6 of the pi r square. Yes. Okay. Now length of an arc, which is the arc? This is the arc, part of the circumference. This is the length of the arc. This is the length of the arc of a sector which makes an angle theta at the center, is again the same. What is the circumference? 2 pi r, and it is theta by 360, 2 pi r. We will be solving few sums with the help of this. Okay. Now, find the area of a sector whose radius is 6 centimeter. If the angle at the center is 60 degree, so how will you write? You will write therefore area of the sector is equal to, we know the formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. That is, what is your theta here? 60 degree by 360 into pi, we will take 22 by 7, and r is 6 square. 6 radius is 6 square. Yes, that is equal to, this is 1/6, this should be cut, and this is 6. 1/6 will be cut here. That is equal to 132 by 7. 6 into 2, 12, 13, 132 by 7. What is the unit here? It is the area. It is centimeter square. It is centimeter square. So area of the sector is theta by 360 pi r square. My r is always very bad, so I'll write pi r square. Pi r square is equal to 60 by 360. 60 by 360 is 1/6, and another 6 is that pi 6 square. Once another 6 is cut here, so 1/6 is left. That is 132 by 7 centimeter square. Okay. Now question number 2. I think all of you have followed. I have just used the formula. The question number 2 says, find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Quadrant means 1/4 of the circle. Quadrant means 1/4 of the circle. Quadrant means this is 1/4 of the circle. That is, quadrant means 1/4. Angle is 90 degree. Angle is 90 degree. So, circumference, they have told you. What is the formula of the circumference? Now, theta by 360, solution here. Circumference is equal to theta by, that is 6, quadrant, it is the quadrant, that is 90 degree by 360 into 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7. Our radius is how much? This is of circumference is, I don't know, radius I have to find. Okay, therefore this is 4 and this is 2, that is 22 by 7, and this is 4 and this is 2. 22 by 7 into 2 is equal to 22. They have told you that circumference is equal to 22 centimeter. So now I cancel that, therefore, and this is R, one R is left. R is equal to 14 centimeter. R is equal to 2 pi R. This is 2 pi R. So 2 to cancel here, 2 to cancel, 1 2 is left here. 2 and 7, 14. That is 14 centimeter. Therefore, area of the sector implies area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square, pi 14 square, that is equal to, this is theta, this is theta, this is 90, I will write 90, then 90, so 1 by 4. 1 by 4 implies 1 by 4 into 22 by 7, 7 into 14 into 14. Achha, then 22 by 7, sorry, this is 14 degree, 22 by 7, yes, and this is I'll cancel it, that is 7 2s are, and 2 2s are, then I cancel here 2, 7, that is equal to 154 centimeter square. Have you followed? They have given you circumference. Circumference is equal to 22. From there, I'll find out R. I have found it out. Found it out. That is R is 14. R is 14. Implies R is 14. So therefore, R is 14 centimeter. So area of the sector which is required here. Area of the sector is what? This is 7. Area of the sector. Now you calculate. Calculation part is yours. And so I have given you the area of the sector is theta by 360 pi r square. Theta by theta is 90 degree and 360, that is equal to 1 by 4. And this is pi r square, 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. The question number 3. A horse is tied to a peg at the corner of a square-shaped grass field. This is a grass field, ABCD is a grass field, and the grass field of side 15 meter. This is 15 meter. This is 15 meter. This is 15 meter. Now, the increase in which the horse can graze. We have to find out the area. Okay. The question is first, and second part is that when the increase in the grazing area, if the rope were 10 meter long. Now, here theta is equal to 90 degree. Since it is a square. So therefore, the area is equal to 90 degree divided by 360 into pi r square. Pi r square. What is your r? R is 5. I think we have we know that if it is this is the arc, this is the arc. So it is pi r square. That is 1 by 4 into 3.14. They have told you take 3.14 into r. What is r? R is 5 into 5 whole square. That is equal to, you can, that is you calculate and write. What is the problem here? It is a centimeter square. So this is a centimeter square. Calculation is your part. Calculation is your part, or if you want me to do, I'll do it. But 25, this is 25 into 14, multiply here and divide by 4. Okay. Then second part, I give you hint only. That is, here the increase in the area, the increase in the area is equal to, first it was that is, now it is 10 meter long. When it is 10 meter long, when it is increased in the rope length, the length is increased 10 meter, implies area increased. I'll write here, area increased. Increased means, first you have found out with 5 meter, and then now you will find out with the 10 meter. So this is it is the same ground. It is already 90 degree. It is the same ground. It is already 90 degree. Yes. Then it is 90 by 360 into pi r square. Pi is 3.14 into r square is 10 square, 10 whole square, minus 90 by 360, 90 by 360 into 3.14 into r square is, that is 5 whole square. So you subtract and you give the result. Calculation is your part. I should not do it. Okay. Thank you.